Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi J and this is part 2 of the DIY Shabby Chic lamp and shade, which can be made all with Dollar Tree products. Mostly it is Dollar Tree products, but my ribbons came from Michael's. Okay, and I did want to show you how nicely it displays here. Yeah, I just threw up that little backdrop, but it looks so cute with the chicken. I guess you could think of it as farmhouse too, but looks a little bit more shabby chic to me. Okay, I just want to finish up with where we left off. Just run through these materials real quickly. You know, I listed them in the description on the first one, and I will list them again in the description here. If you have questions or if I've forgotten anything, you are certainly welcome to ask, and hopefully I haven't, but who knows, it's possible. This is the ribbon that I don't have any video of me putting this on, but I'll tell you how I did it. It's not hard. My E6000 was all dried out, so I ended up having to use my glue gun for everything on this project. And I did paint my flowers, so there's what I used. And we left off, I left off putting a string or twine on the top. And I'm just finishing that up in this step right here. And I do have my little finger protector silicone, which I think Mod Podge makes those. I didn't get it at the Dollar Tree. I've never seen them at our Dollar Tree, but I know that some Dollar Trees have them. Anyway, so finishing that up and making sure that I don't burn myself. And actually that old glue gun is really low temp and probably not going to be around much longer because it looks like it's going to give out. Because it's probably more low temp than it should be. Alright, so just finishing that up, and you could, if you really liked this look, and you had more twine, you could continue doing that all the way down to the ruffle. My fingers did a happy dance. I'm not sure why. Okay, so here I'm just gluing the flowers on. I have 9 of them, and there are 9 wire posts on the basket, so just glue them. I glue them right to that so they have something to stick to, and they fill up that space very nicely. And yeah, don't burn yourself. So I'll put one more on, and then we'll just fast forward through the rest of those because it's just the same thing. And so there's the third one, and just using the hot glue, going all the way around. And again, you can buy these or you can make them. I'll link that tutorial again on making them out of the Dollar Tree leis. Oh, they're popping up, they're just blooming up here. And now there they all are, and moving on to gluing the pedestals together. Notice I'm putting the hot glue on the top of this one, and like I said, I ran out of E6000, or I definitely would have used it on this part, and I do recommend that you use it. If you want a permanent bond. This is real porous, this material these pedestals are made out of, and I think it's going to adhere really well. Seems to be doing fine. So I'm just putting pressure on there, making sure that they're lined up right, and just enough pressure, and you've got a big flat piece on the top to put the hurricane lamp on. And I probably have glue on my hands there. That's the, it's not actually a lamp, but that's what it looks like, a hurricane vase. And there's the little glass bowl that I'm going to glue on right here. And I've got the LED light in it. It already has batteries in it, and it works. And I'm pointing it down because that's where I want the light to go when it's on. So gluing that small bowl onto the hurricane vase at the top and just applying pressure so it will adhere. And again, I would be using E6000 on that if I had it. Okay, sorry about the strange angle here. I just wanted to be sure that I covered the few things that I didn't actually show. This ribbon right here is what I use to go around the seam on the pedestal so you don't see the seam, and it blends really well. It came in that pack from Michael's, and it matches. It's a cream color with little gold polka dots, and there's my yes, it's okay, it does well. And yeah, you know, you could put small flowers up there if you wanted to. Totally up to you. I'm just showing you here, this is where I glued that ruffle. That see-through ruffle is really pretty, and it's already gathered. That's what it looks like, and that's all that was left. This, I mentioned in the first video that there was some space underneath that ruffle that needed to be covered up. You can, so I took this lacy ribbon and put it there. I've actually got it pushed up a little bit there. I think that is probably because of the wire. You could take the wire on the bottom out and it would probably lay down better. The flowers, you can watch the tutorial on that, but I did tutorial on that. I didn't mention, I don't think that I painted them. And just acrylic paint, you don't have to put a lot on it, but they were white and I just wanted them closer to the colors I was using, and I already had these paints, so that's what I used. A little bit of chalk paint, acrylic would be fine, and an off-white, actually called Winter, and a 14 karat gold. They're shown in the supplies area. Oh, here I was thinking, maybe you could put something on top, but I wouldn't put that heavy thing on top. Maybe one of the ring holders, the white ones with a gold feather or something. And I really think it turned out well. I hope you like it, and maybe you'll be inspired to make it or one similar. And if you would click like and subscribe, that would make me so happy. And thank you to the people who have subscribed. Thank you so much. And I'll have a Dollar Tree haul soon. Bye.